I'll be teaching you guys a fun summer craft. It is a bead gecko. Let's get right into the video. You will need around 50 beads. You can have any colors, but make sure 2 colors are the same for the eyes. I chose white for my eyes. Also need string and scissors. Wrap the string around your hand about 8 times. This is the amount of string you will need. Start by putting 1 bead in the middle of your string. This is the nose. On one side, add 2 beads. With the other side of the string, thread it through the 2 beads. And pull. Add 3 beads in this order. The first and the third should be the eyes. Just like last step, thread the string through all the beads. Do the same, but this time with 2 beads. Now we are going to create the arms, or legs. Start by adding 2 beads. And add 3 more beads. Skip the last 3 beads and pull the string through the first 2 beads. Do the same on the other side. Here is what it should look like. Continue the steps earlier using 3 beads and then 4 beads. If the string starts to fray, just cut off the tip and do 4 beads again. Do it with 3 beads, 2 beads, 2 beads again. Create another arm or leg. Create another leg on the other side. Here it is so far. Start by adding 1 bead for the tail and keep going for as long as you want. I made my tail 7 beads long. Finish it off by tying a double knot. And here is the finished product.